Okay, so as you can see, I took the nose off. You got two pins that hold this whole thing on. One there to hold the back of the boom, and one here for the hydraulic cylinder to pull the arm up and down. So that's the old one, and this is the new one. So I'm about to take my time and just shift it until it gets in place, and then it should come with new ones, new pins. They're normally gonna be in that box, but the old one is good enough to just reinsert nice and easy. But I think today I might go ahead and just use the new ones. I can show you that. As you can see, new one with new bolts here. So I'm just gonna use, I'm gonna use the new ones because you know how it is. Got new grease nipple, everything on there. So that's what's up. Let me get this started. Take that out. You know, take these bolts out, and then put the new one on. Yep. It's easy, but it's not that easy. As in, when you know it, it becomes easy, but when you don't know, it's a little tedious. So that one goes there. The other one, we're not gonna insert it. We're just gonna take this off because you can't insert it until you actually line the boom back up. So here we go. And we're about to install the new one.